Hi there, first graders. This is your homework for math for lesson 6 for Tuesday, April 14th. This is a fun one. I think you're going to like it. The directions say to use some three-dimensional shapes to make a structure. Ask someone at home to take a picture of your structure. So this should be very fun. You can see the example they give where and I'll read through the little talking bubbles. It says, I made a castle. I started by putting a big cube on the floor. The cube is a cardboard box. I used 4 cylinders to make the bottom of each tower. I used soup cans for the cylinders. I put each cylinder on a corner of the cube, and I used 4 cones to make each tower pointy on top. I used ice cream cones for the cones. I put each cone on top of each cylinder, and now I have a castle. So you can see that they just found things from around the house. They didn't go shopping. They just used things to make their tower, and they were all things that they could put back and use again. So they weren't really ruining anything. They didn't have to glue anything. It was very simple. You're also going to see on your homework a chart with the three-dimensional shapes. It says use some three-dimensional shapes to make another structure. Your chart below gives you some ideas of the objects you can find at home. You can use objects from the chart or other objects you may have from home. This is just giving you suggestions of cubes, rectangular prisms, cylinders, spheres, and cones that you may have around your house. We are just asking you to build one structure this week using three-dimensional shapes that you have around your house. You can have someone take a picture and send it to us, or you can draw a picture of it, whichever you prefer. We look forward to seeing your three-dimensional structures.